car here, it had a lot of leaves and a lot of buildups, alright? Just want to show you guys, alright? There's a lot of leaves here. I picked up the leaves, and as you can see, if you look at the other side over there, it looks pretty clean, alright? So I get a lot of customers, they always want me to blow air on their car, and I never do it. So I never do this, alright? So never do this. Even if the customer tells you, or if they want you to do this, never do that, alright? And I would not recommend that, alright? It's for your own safety and the customer safety and the owner of the vehicle, whatever you want to call them, or friend, family member, alright? The reason why it is because when you're blowing air, first of all, you're making a bigger mess, alright? You see how I shot a little bit and it's all over? And this stuff, this is the allergy, pollen. A lot of people has allergy to this stuff. And this can go into your vents, alright? There's some vents over here. So not that the mechanic made this look nice and neat, or you went to a power wash, alright? You just caused yourself a lot of damage there, alright? So what I would recommend is get a vacuum, alright? And watch how easy this is, alright? This is what I would do, alright? Guys, you poke your finger in there a little bit and move these things. It's not like a little bit of jammed up things in there, alright? And everything will come out, alright? You don't need to blow air. And now you're sneezing and you have allergies now. Look how clean that is, alright guys? So never blow air in a car. You could get leaves stuck onto exhaust. They'll go on fire. You know, these leaves are dried up, alright? They're very easy to put things on fire. So do that, guys. This is a small little tip. Vacuum it, take it off. Don't blow air on it. You'll throw a lot of stuff inside the car, into the vent of the AC. It's gonna suck all year long. You're gonna have that little, even though it has a cabin filter, it's not gonna help much, alright? I'm already about to sneeze, already. Let me give me a moment. Let me watch me sneeze. There it goes, alright? And thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel. And that's the one small tip I can give you. And I will make more videos such as this. If you like it, let me know. So I'll just continue making. And I already did the other side. So don't say that I did one side, not the other side. I already did the other side, alright? And that's it, guys. Thank you and bye-bye. See you on the next one.